schools have also been engaging us to help them make performances either for special events or on these topics, to get kids to speak to one another, communicate in non-verbal languages to make fabulous performance pieces.
When we see big clear open land with bush around it,
we know it has been burned.
And overwhelmingly the response of teachers and parents who are in the process or who see the performances is that this is a group voice. We don't have one kid shining as the star. We have every kid with an opportunity to share their story, working together and presenting that.
Da 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 da.